Good morning, my dear students. Today I am present here to teach you a new prose. The name of the prose is showing the background of the screen. The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Rule, which is written by Nani Palkiwala. So, before going to start the prose, let us have a brief about the writer of the present prose. Nani Palkiwala was born in 1920 in Mumbai. Now it's Mumbai. In what was the Mumbai presidency to blue collar, middle class Parsi parents. His family name derives from the profession of his forefathers, a common practice among Paris, who had been manufacturers of palanquins. So Nani Palkiwala was died in 11 December 2002. His occupation was a jurist, economist of Indian territory. So my dear students, Nani Palkiwala was educated as Master's Turiel High School and later at St. Xavier's College, both in Mumbai. So, my dear students, the present prose, the Ailing Planet, is written by Nani Palkiwala, which was published in the Indian Express on 24th December 1994. The issues that Nani Palkiwala raised regarding the declining health of the earth continue to have relevances. So, Nani Palkiwala's present prose was published in 24th November in the year of 1994. So, let us start the prose in detail. One cannot recall any movement in the world history which has gripped the imagination of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the green movements which started nearly 25 years ago. In 1972, the world's first nationwide Green Party was founded in New Zealand. Since then, the movement has not looked back. So, my dear students, one cannot recall any movement in the world history which has gripped the imagination, which has seized the imagination of the entire human race. So that situation cannot be recalled. That moment one cannot recall. So completely one cannot recall the movements which gripped, which seized the imagination of the entire human race so rapidly as the green movements which started nearly 25 years ago. So that movements cannot be recalled completely. In 1972, the world's first national party was founded in New Zealand. Since then, the movement has not looked back. The Green Party means the aim of the Green Party is to make the world, make the earth green. So, it was founded in the year of 1972, the world's first nationwide Green Party. So, after that, the movement has not looked back. We have shifted one hopes irrevocably. So, we have shifted one hopes irrevocably from the mechanistic view to a holistic view and ecological view of the world. So the world's mechanistic view, we have to be shifted from the mechanistic view to a holistic and ecological view of the world. That means we are thinking in a mechanical view or about the world, about the earth. So we should have to shift from the view to a holistic, means the whole is greater than the sum of parts. That means that in a whole we should have to think about the earth, about the all living organisms of the earth, and we should have to think that the earth is a living being and we are a part of it. It is a shift in human perception as revolutionary as that introduced by Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the earth and the other planets revolved around the sun. So, it is a shift in human perceptions, in human thinking. It is a shift that as revolutionary motion, revolutionary as that. So, it is a shift in human perceptions as revolutionary as that introduced by Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the earth and the other planets revolved around the sun. So it is a